So now in this tutorial we'll talk about the custom controls and how you can add this. So for creating controls, it's quite a lot in that step 33 just for a simple control. So I will not go in details and I will not type, I will just copy and paste, but I will show you how to functionality and how it look like. But for your purpose, you need to go through and you need to create your own control, and you can add another pages for your to understand that more functionality. So how we can start here? So inside that web app we have to create another folder that is called the control. So it will store that all type of controls here. So I am adding that is control, and inside that control I am adding that is called the product ratings.js. So basically that is the control, and we are going to create a control. And for this control I'm just copying this code and pasting here, but need to change something like this. We are using different way like SAP UI demo, so this always need to in that control product rating control is need to just change. Okay, so I don't think anything need to change here. So basically that is the control, and now we have to use that control. So we will now we'll call this control from that. We can just copy this. So now actually we can call this control from this page. So now if we go to, and that is the detail view, so if I go to the view, detail view, then you can see that like that is the object, and here that is the detail, and that is the page object header, and here actually it is typing this, and after that actually we can add the rating. So we have to add here, but before that actually we have to call this control. So this is here, so SAP UI demo control, that's what we call. And now actually we can call here, so that is WT, then product DUCD product rating. So basically now actually you call that your own control. So if I just refresh here, it is not showing. So actually here demo walkthrough.control. So now if we check, if we go back, refresh, okay, so let's check what is now if we remove that. Okay, so now issue with the control, and actually you can see that there is not M and W. So now if we check and debug that, you can see that it is loading error. So it's basically that rating, and I mentioned that rating, so that's the problem. I just rename refresh. Okay, so now you can see that what you created here, so from here it is just called the control, but from here actually you can see that is your product rating, what you created, the control it is calling. But that is your own control and own custom control. So it's same way, if you want to create a control, then you can create control and you can call like this. So now here actually this is good, but what we will do actually, we'll make it more little bit, we'll add something like this. ID is the rating, then class, we have to use that class, that is SAP class, SAP UI small margin int, margin begin, margin int, and so now if we refresh, you can see there is a margin, but still there is a margin, but still we need to do something. And once we click, actually it is not doing anything. So now here we have to put on like chains. When it changes, then actually it will call the on rating chains. So I'm just copying this. This is done. So now we have to do something in the, because that is the detail page, so we have to update in the controller for the details. So that is the details controller. We will add a message toast. You may remember that in the first or second video we worked with the message toast, and that is the SAP/m, then message toast. Okay, so here we have to add this. Now we have to create object, and so here then on object event, so object event is here, so we have to this dot by ID, then rating reset, but once we click, then we have to make a function so that it will click. So here it is closed, so now we have to add on rating, because once we click it will come here event. So now actually inside that, first message toast dot show, just for simple example. So now you can, it just simple example. We have to do more lot of some code here. So constant value event dot get parameter dot value, then constant resource bundle, this dot get view, then get model, get view, this get it's okay, I'm just copying and that because actually for this it's not required to typings, already discussed a lot here. So now it's fine, and something more we can do. So here actually that's good, and details view. So we have also need to add some style here, so I'm also copying that style from that SAP tutorial. So here, so now you can click, and actually that is a rating confirmation. You need to add the title. You already know how you can add the title. So here if I add to the I18 properties, and I'm just adding here, so CSS is done. So now it should come with the new title. So now if we click here, the please rate this product, everything is coming from that I18, like 3, that rate 3 out of 5, 5 of 5s, 3, and if I click the rate, you have rated the 3-star. So if I go back, you can see the new, and if I this is the reset, and you can rate here. So basically that is the just simple example of that how you can add the custom control. That's it, and based on your project you can create or use the existing control. So that's all, and let's continue with the responsiveness in the next video. Thank you.